Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to create your own WhatsApp avatar. So the first thing to do is click on create avatar. And you click on create avatar. So here is going to request you to choose from your selfie or to create manually. When you click on create manually, it's going to generate an image for you to work on. But for the sake of this tutorial, I want to choose from selfie. So it's going to take a selfie of me. Okay, so it's just going to create from the selfie I've taken. So from this selfie, you're going to choose your body type, if it's masculine or feminine. So I'm going to choose feminine. Then you choose your body type, so you can see you build. I'm going to choose this third one, this one right here. So I'm choosing this. The build, how do you want the build to be? So I'm going to reduce the build. For the muscles, if you want muscles, you increase. If you don't want muscles, you reduce. I don't want the muscles. For the shoulders, you can either make it broad or make it thin. Your bust, you can either reduce the bust or increase the bust. So it all depends on the features you want. The waist, I want the waist to be thin. The hips, I want the hips large as an African woman. The stomach, no. I want the stomach to be small. In your rear, you can just, then you click on save and continue. So you wait for it to load. And then you're going to choose your hair type, the makeup, the face, the body, how you want it to be, and the type of outfit also that you want. So I want dresses. So you click on dresses. So you're just going to choose what type of dress you want your avatar to wear. Okay, so I'm going to choose on this free outfit. Okay, oh yeah, you can see. So for the hair type, you're going to choose the hair type you want your avatar to have. So you can go ahead to choose. So I'm going to choose this. Okay, then for your facial hair, you can decide to choose the type of facial hair. Well, I don't want any facial hair. So you go to makeup. How do you want your makeup to be like? Okay, I'm going to choose this for that's for the eyeshadow. For the blush, so you're going to choose the blush. I'm taking this first one. Okay, then the lipstick. How do you want your lipstick? I'm choosing this. This is just my own preference. Face paint, if you want any face paint. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one. How you want your face paint to look like. Okay, then you go to face, the color of your face. How do you want the face color to look like? So you're going to just choose. Okay, this is, so you can adjust it, the brightness, or how dark you want it to be. Then we already chose our body, we have done our face, we've done our makeup, and we have chosen our hair style. Okay, so this is our avatar already. Okay, then if you want more features like headwear, eyewear, nose piercing, earrings, you are going to choose all of this how you want it to be. So I'm choosing this earring. Okay, I don't want any nose piercing, I don't want any other thing. So this is just, so for the face, you can work more on the face. You can go to face shape, the shape of the face, how you want the shape of the face to be like. So I'm going to choose this. This is feminine. Good. Okay, so the face width, you can either reduce face width or increase. The cheek fullness, how you want the cheek fullness to be like. The jaw size, you want it a bit round or you want it V. So the chin size, see, so I'm going to reduce the chin size. The eyebrows, how you want the eyebrow to look like. Okay, I'm going to choose this. So I'm choosing this for the eyebrow. That's too fat. Okay, let me go with this. Good. For the eyes, how you want the eye to be like. You know, you just walk around it. The lashes, that's the upper lash, the lower lash, the nose. Yes, how you want the nose to be like. I'm going to choose this nose. Okay, then you can adjust the size of the nose as well, how you want it to be, the angle and everything. Then the lip, how you want the lip to look like. I'm going with this first one. The face lines, face markings, you know, so many features here that you can work with. So when you are done creating that avatar, you just go ahead and click save. So now our avatar is saved. So now you can come here. You can see that WhatsApp is going to create different moods of that avatar that you have created. So can you see? You have different mood. You have the sad or angry mood. You have the greeting mood. It's going to create so many moods. So you can see like this. You can see this is the avatar we just created. So you can see another one. It's giving you different mood of that. You can see. So this is how to create WhatsApp avatar using your picture, or you can generate manually. So you can see WhatsApp is going to generate different moods, different mood of that particular avatar that you have created. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever new video comes up. Like, please, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, until I see you again in my next video. Bye.